guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do an unboxing videos about my latest camera. So I just got a new kind of upgraded camera from Nikon, and I think it's become really popular among the YouTuber recently. So I kind of want to, because my camera, the Canon G7X Mark II, is it's been a few years and I feel like I need an upgrade. So I want the quality a little better. So today we're going to unbox the new camera. So the first one I got is black, so the one I'm using right now, as you can see, my Canon is black, but I changed it to a white one, and it's really nice. So I guess open it and see how it works. You change my angle. Is it? I think that's not a good one. I got it from Best Buy. So I got one is the camera, and another one is the tripod. So let's open the camera to see. You can see my
A few moments later.
Oh well, I figured this one would be home. The next one is the tripod. So I hope that's not included, but I bought it. I recommend it. Oh, and I need a card reader. Shit.
"2,000 years later."
Oh. So you use this to charge. It's a new. The newest comes separately. You don't have to buy the charger thing. So is that the charger here and then connect it to USB adapter. I'll be right back. I need to check. Tripod that it's like the wireless and you can withdraw on the tripod too. Let's open this. Oh, the first thing is the pouch for you to put your tripod when you travel, because I'm going to use this for my travel next week. And then the main thing is a tripod, and the last thing is a bunch of direction, like instruction. I guess I'm trying to find the English version of this so I can read. That is it. Battery, is that battery? This is what it is. The tripod is in, but I didn't want to. Again, it's like come with the battery in the back. Battery area. So when the battery is removed, it's I guess work. You see the flashing is in a battery, but I think it's like connected to the thing. I'm reading the instruction. So the first thing, we need to pair the camera with the tripod, like Bluetooth, and then that's it. So it has a few buttons right here. It's that movie, so I guess for making movies. What is the lock for? Guys, so basically everything you need to know it here. You have the photo button, the movie button, the zoom button, C1. I still don't know what it is. I don't think they have an explanation or like a definition of what is the C1. And the lock listening tool. You don't want to remotely or accidentally control your camera without this. So it locks. It means that you cannot change anything that you already set. So I think it's good. And we're waiting for my camera to charge. I'm gonna try it during my trip. Hopefully everything works out okay. And yeah, this is everything, guys. I have a new camera, a new tripod, and I'm excited to try this out and something new. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.